All right, good morning, guys. Check it out. It's about 7:50 in the morning, but I just wanted to show you this is the boat ramp by the house. And if you look at the approach here, wow, it looks like some of this water's receded, so it looks like we're in a low tide situation, possibly. Doesn't appear that way, but yeah, this is it. If you see the approach, it's not too steep. This is it. Make it easier for launching a boat. I will be doing it this weekend, and I will be taking you guys along. Now, this is a bad day for boating because, as you can see, check this out. Wow, it is very foggy outside, very overcast. I mean, limited visibility. I will go out. If I did, it'd have to be when you're more experienced. If you see this, driving this is bad. Just imagine going out on a boat. See that? People don't look at this, but check this out. This is just your sign. All right, what does it say right there? Slow speed, minimum weight. So you go as slow as you possibly can. All right, as slow as you can, making sure that you don't run into anything. So where people go fishing, what I like about this ramp is, you see where the cleats are at? Makes it really easy to tie off a boat. But you already know, like all the other people do, you don't want to be blocking the ramp. So you lower it, launch it back from there, and you could tie it off right over there. Like over here, because you got plenty of parking spots. Got some over there. And it's pretty good because it's not as busy. There used to be if you look over here, there used to be a fishing pier back over there. Let me get it closer. Back over there where that door is over there, like the little door. But they closed it off. It's more over there. Don't know what happened. Yep, this is it. Police boats over there. Got some birds. That's pretty much it. And good thing, if you look over there, got like a bait cleaning station. Alrighty, sorry. So that's good, so that when you finish for the day, you can clean your fish. I've seen a couple of people, let me get this better. Seen a couple of people flushing their motors so that way they can take it home properly.